Hi, this is GeoGebra Classic 5. I'm going to show you the SurdText command that I sort of just discovered today through a tweet. First of all, just go set my axis. So if I right click here and go to graphics and then just do a couple of things. I like my axis to be bold, a line style if you want to change it. And then I'm going to change the x-axis, put in the label, and the y-axis, put in the label and grid, maybe make it bold so it stands out a little bit more in this video. Okay, I'm going to enter it in down here. I'm going to enter a function, so I'm going to enter 2x squared, and just use the hat for squared, minus 3x minus 7, enter. Okay, and then in the algebra view we can see here it puts the function and here is the function. If I right click on that and go to object properties and ask it to put in the name and the value, it will write down the text for me. And you probably can't really move it around very much, but there you can see I've got the text. Perhaps to see this a bit better later, I will change the view window so it makes the font a bit bigger. Right, okay, I'm going to look for the roots now. So that's that one and that one. So that command is root. The command comes up in the drop-down menu. I'll select the first one. And as it's called F already, I will just type in there F and press enter, and then I have my two roots. Just to be a little bit pedantic, I'm going to right click on those and change the color to red, maybe make stand out a bit more. Okay, so I've got my roots there. Now here's the good thing. If I now write in SurdText, and again the thing comes up, and put in like A and press enter. Okay, and then I just move that now to one side. You can see it has written it in Surd form. So it's now been written in Surd form. Okay, I could change the color of that, object properties, color. Look, the text there is there. Make it bold, maybe change the color, make it red or something so it stands out a little bit. Okay, and then I could do the same to B if I wanted to, but maybe I just want to put down just the root. So instead of doing that, if I now put in x bracket of A, what that does, it writes down the x coordinate of A, and then if I now click on this again, and rather than do SurdText A, big A, write little a, it will change it just to the root. That might be a little bit better. And then if I did x coordinate of B, which was the other root, press enter, that will give me the other one here. Okay, and then if I now did SurdText of point little b, because that's what it's now called, enter, I will now get that. Okay, again, if I right click on it, object properties, change it to red or whatever color you want to do really. Text, make it bold. It will stand out like that. Okay, so now I've got the roots written in Surd form. Okay, let's go for the minimum point. Let's go down here and type in min. And let's go for the function. So the function was f, the start value. Let's just put in, because the minimum is between 0 and 3 if you like. 0, in fact we can just put 1. There we now have the minimum value. Okay, if we press enter, it will give a value. Okay, and now if I now did surd text point C, because that's what it's called, it will write the coordinates in Surd form, but in fact it won't do, but it just writes them in fraction form, which is even better. We didn't need them in third form, they were just in fraction form. So that makes it much better. And actually we could very much easily complete the square if we wanted to as well. So it's right click, object, properties, make it bold, change the colour to red so it stands out, and maybe make the point red as well. Object properties, point red, okay. And perhaps we just want to move the graph up slightly, so we'll grab the graph and we'll move it up slightly, okay, and point move, and then put that down there. Maybe if we wanted to make it stand out for the students on the whiteboard, then we perhaps go to options and then go change the font size to something like 24. That will make it much bigger for it to stand out a lot more, and probably hide the algebra view because we probably won't want that. Other things we could do with the zoom, we could grab this here like that and the zoom and make it spread out a little bit more. That might make it a little bit easier for the students to see on the board. And maybe if we right click on the actual function itself and change the style to something a bit thicker, then that might stand out nicely on a whiteboard. So this is a video to show you how to use the SurdText mode on a quadratic. I hope you understand, and I think that's quite a nice feature of GeoGebra. Thank you very much for watching.